Oh, look who's on her throne again. It's Precious Piper. Hi, baby. What are you doing, huh? You look nice and comfy there. Aw, I love it when you look at me that way. Look at those sweet little eyes. Yeah, you are a little honey bunny, aren't you? Yes, you are. Well, you're pretty sweet. Oh, what? Did you hear something? There's something out there? Yeah, you're always on the alert, aren't you? Yeah, let's try and get some sleep while you can. Well, people aren't bothering you making noises in the hallway, huh? Yeah, you need to catch 40 winks when you can. Oh, what a sweetheart. Aw, well, good night, Piper.